Imagine you're 40 and you've already faced up to the diagnosis that your heart is in trouble. You're glad that medical advances and surgery have given you a mechanical valve, but your quality of life is severely impacted from the tick-tock in your own heart. It's a daily reminder of your open heart valve replacement and how dependent on it you are for life. The patient in need of a new valve today has two options. A mechanical valve requires open heart surgery, blood thinners for life, and is invasive. The other option is a valve made from bovine or porcine tissue and comes with a risk of complications like stroke, bleeding, or the need for pacemaker. And as an animal tissue, it degrades in your body, so its lifespan is limited. Even with impressive advances by global leaders in valve technology, many here in Ireland, there is still room for significant improvement. The market opportunity for transcatheter aortic valve replacements alone is 4 billion euros, representing millions of patients in need of a better solution. That's why we at Lifelet have developed a fully synthetic polymer material for heart valve replacements, which combines the durability of mechanical valves with the minimally invasive delivery of animal tissue valves. Importantly, for patients and payers, our platform technology offers the promise of one valve for life. Our solution is smart and cost-effective, transcending the manufacturing limitations of current offerings, such as the need for animal tissue to be hand-sewn onto each valve. Lifelet is comprised of a strong team to commercialize this technology. I am a biomedical engineer, and my co-founder, Faisal Sharif, is a passionate clinical innovator with substantial valve replacement experience as an interventional cardiologist. Our chronic preclinical data has been well received at international cardiology conferences, and we have done extensive clinical validation globally. Key opinion leaders are excited that what we are doing solves a real unmet need. We have strong intellectual property and a network of manufacturing partners to advance our technology. We are looking for investment partners to drive our company forward and bring our solution to the patients who need it. Funding will allow us to grow our team and complete testing for our first-in-human study. We look forward to connecting so that together we can impact upon this substantial market opportunity and realize the dream for patients with heart valve disease. One valve for life.
Thank you very much, Elle. Elle, tell us a little bit more about the manufacturing partners that you mentioned there, because I would have thought that maybe they would be doing their own research to do this for themselves.
Certainly. Among the strategic heart valve manufacturers, this has been the holy grail of heart valve manufacturing, and there have been many attempts to work on it in the past. And we also have contract manufacturers within Ireland, and we hope to combine our competencies to bring something that's really disruptive.
Does that mean that your technology is radically different to what has been done by others?
Indeed, there is no polymer valve on the market today. The only valves available to patients are either made out of metal or made out of animal tissue.
So how much then of a strain will it be perhaps getting approval for something which is so radically different to what is on the market at present?
The clinical hurdle is substantial, and we are prepared to work on clinical validation, which will require likely a first-in-human study with at least 10 patients, followed by quite a large clinical trial for this Class 3 implantable device.
If you are successful in this, can you see yourself developing exclusivity with certain manufacturers, or are you aiming that they perhaps would purchase your business to get that exclusivity?
Certainly, we'll be pursuing multiple models, and we want to ultimately get our technology to the patients who need it, whatever form that takes.
How much longer is this going to take you, do you reckon?
With our contract manufacturers and partnerships, we believe we can reach a first-in-human within the next 3 years.
Okay, thank you very much for joining us today.